All right, this video is going to be very important. I just want to let you guys know we have moved to the new house, but we have a lot of stuff to do. This is going to be my office. I'm going to have to organize the room. And the reason I haven't been posting anything was because of moving, which I let you guys know in the previous videos. You want to watch the entire video. I have a surprise for you. I'm going to let you guys know about a gem that it has actually been showing on trending as one of the trending tokens, and it can be the next Caspa. Okay, none of these are going to be financial advice. I have already let my members know, but I'm going to tell you guys about this token, about this project, because you can literally mine and stake this coin. You can check it out later, but make sure you watch the entire video. I'm going to let you guys know about this token later. Okay, so if you guys appreciate this kind of content, make sure to watch the entire video, subscribe, like the video. Also, in my next video, I'm gonna talk about price prediction for Ethereum, XRP, and Caspa. Okay, so if you are interested and you want me to make a price prediction for any of the coins, your favorite coins, I want you to comment down below so I can cover it in the next video. It's going to be a lot of you guys commenting, but I'm going to try to start from the ones that get repeated a lot. Okay, so we're going to talk about USDT dominance, how it's still showing that it has broken the 7-year support level, which we had never broken below. Even though we broke temporary, okay, we still went higher, and we saw that our bear market started, or in the middle of the bull market, we saw that 57% pullback for BTC, which USDT started rallying. Okay, so opposite correlation for this USDT dominance and Bitcoin. So we have seen that USDT has been going down and BTC has been going up, and we finally broke this level and is still holding it below. Okay, so that's the good news. We really want USDT dominance to keep dropping. Okay, I'm going to talk about my next targets for USDT support. Okay, also you're going to talk about BTC dominance, how it is concerning for a lot of people, that they think that we can see a lot of altcoins start crashing, and if BTC pulls back, I'm going to let you guys know that I am looking at these charts and it is showing me more confidence that we are literally in the best bull market. I'm going to tell you guys what I'm expecting for USDT and BTC dominance. I'm going to also talk about total 3, how we have broken above the previous all-time high, and we have gone a lot of support around this line, and I am not worried at all that we're not going to see any bad pullback for BTC. Maximum down to $90,000, which I have showed you guys on free Telegram group, where the weekly candle closed. There is a chance that we can go to $89,000, 89,700-ish, and then start going making a newer all-time high. Okay, so I said $100,000 might not touch right away. I believe that is gonna happen. Okay, so that is good news. And also we're gonna talk about total 3 for altcoins. This chart shows every other altcoins except Ethereum and BTC. Okay, so you guys see that we still have a lot of growth waiting for altcoins. Okay, and we're going to talk about Ethereum BTC pair that shows that it has not gone to the lowest point, which is good. We didn't have to wait that long, but I was expecting and seeing that if we keep dropping, this is the lowest yellow level will be the best support for Ethereum BTC pair, and Ethereum is gonna hopefully outperform BTC, and we're gonna see a lot of altcoins. That's when it's gonna be the real bull run for altcoins. Okay, so I want to really give you guys really good news in this video. Okay, a lot of you guys were commenting and trying to troll and saying that I'm always bearish. No, I'm not. I go with evidence. I go with cautious because I have made my mistakes, and I want to make sure that I am not only going with hopium. Okay, I have to see these charts, and these charts let me know I have never been behind on buying altcoins. A lot of the people who bought altcoins when the first BTC hit $73,000, and a lot of altcoins went to the highest points that they made, and then they started crashing and they went 10 times lower. So they gave almost 80-90% back, and they just literally crashed. And now I have bought them in the lowest prices, so I am not behind on anything. Okay, so our team is ready to make a lot of money with the altcoins we have bought. Okay, so we have 42 members. So if you are interested, it is not still too late. After the altcoins rally start, I'm not going to even ask anybody to join the members, because the team that we're going to have, we're going to focus on, because we have bought them on the lowest point and altcoins are going to start rallying, and we are gonna talk about selling strategy, okay, taking profit strategy. So go ahead and join the membership. It is in the description and also in the comment section. Okay, let's first talk about USDT dominance. I am very excited to see that USDT dominance, although it kind of made a fake out, it went above 4.15, 16%, almost around this area. I'm gonna just put it a little bit higher, around 15%. 4.15% was where I was worried up to this level, until we broke it down and I saw that this line can be broken, and we spent many days under this line. So although we went above this line, we still broke and went lower. But you guys see that this level, this line, if we actually touch all these closed candles and we continue, we still see that we keep getting support above this line. Okay, so as long as, I'm just putting another if for you guys, as long as and if we get above this line, we are gonna be short-term bearish, but not that bearish. Okay, we can still go touch 4.57% where this closed candle is. We barely touched it to the wick of this, around this area, and start going. Okay, so usually we can still go back up to touch the body. That's why I put it on this yellow line in here where the body closed. Okay, but it's not, I'm not really worried, because when you look at total market cap, you can clearly see that we went sideways for many days. And let me zoom in. For many days, sorry, my cat is eating. So you guys see that we went sideways for a while, we broke, and we made a really nice pullback, and we started going higher. We can still go zigzag for a while until we get above this zigzag level, and we will go a lot higher. My target, I'm going to talk about my target, the maximum total market cap. I'm going to talk about maximum total 3 market cap. So we're going to talk about a lot of this, so make sure that you are subscribed so you do not miss any of these videos. Okay, these are time sensitive videos. And Ethereum BTC, I would love to still see that Ethereum keep going higher. We know that Ethereum is gonna go a lot higher, because it was the first smart contract, and everything else started literally after Ethereum. Okay, so even if it's slow on blockchain and it costs a lot of money for your fees when you're doing any transaction on decentralized exchanges, it is the queen. Okay, so that's why I would like to make a price prediction for Ethereum, XRP, and Casper. Okay, so the first target I would like to set up for total market cap is gonna be, I'm gonna put this rectangle from this low to this high, and then make a copy of it, clone of it, and I'm gonna put it from the lowest point where we had this pullback down to this level, and we're gonna see where it is. So we can still go a little bit higher, but we have not exactly hit the target. So that will be almost $4.44 trillion. Okay, but after that, we're gonna have to see how we're gonna react to this level. Okay, we can break it really fast and go above it, but usually the targets I set up based on their waves, based on any chart's wave, I would like to have it same like this, okay? So this is my target. So I have showed you guys that BTC dominance can still go within these two lines, which it has been doing it, okay? Maximum I'm expecting right now, because we are dropping very fast and a lot of altcoins have been rallying, okay? We need to see what the reaction will be for BTC dominance to the lowest point of this pattern, where every time we hit this level we start going higher for BTC dominance. That does not show a bearish sign. It can literally, I said that before, we can see BTC going a lot higher and making newer all-time highs, and altcoins do not go as much. That's why BTC dominance is going to rise. Or we're going to see a very sharp drop for BTC and a lot of altcoins going really down, very sharp, short term, and we still see BTC dominance goes higher because the percentage of the BTC in from the total market is still going to rise, okay? Because altcoins are going to do weaker than BTC, right? So that's why we're going to probably see, but we can break it this time because, as I said, we have already touched my main target for BTC dominance. That's why I think that we can break it this time and we can see something like this down to at least 50%, guys. 50% BTC dominance would be my first target for BTC dominance, because I'm going to talk about, we're going to look at the Fibonacci retracement. We might not exactly see a very good indicator from Fibonacci retracement, but for fun we can do it, okay? We can see 50% to be touched, because usually when we see a pullback in any chart we can expect 0.50% to be touched. That's why it's going to be literally 50%, okay? Then we have to see if we're going to go down to 0.618%, or we're going to start going higher, okay? That's going to be probably where I'm going to expect that we're going to start seeing highest point for almost any coin. Not any coin is not going to be at the same time, because sometimes some altcoins rally the latest, but they give the most ROI for your investment, but some of them just starts slowly rising from here, okay? So you need to manage your money and you need to do your profit taking all the time. I have told my members that I'm gonna start taking profits from 10x when I get 10x for my coins, and because I have done only investment on lower cap coins because I want the most money return, I'm going to do more risk for more return, okay? So that's why I'm going to start taking profits once I hit my 10x for my whole portfolio, okay? So that's going to be the strategy, and then we're going to have to see how USDT dominance is going to look, and my next target for USDT dominance will be 3.73%. And if you ask why, is because this is the lowest point where this base rally was, okay, which we got a really good support when we hit $74,000 for the first time for BTC, okay? That's why you saw that this was the lowest point for USDT dominance, but it did not quite touch the lowest point, and we can touch it this time, 3.73%. Then I'm going to expect a pullback. I'm not sure how high we can go. Hopefully we're not get above that 4.15%, which I have showed you before, okay? I'm not sure why it's not showing that white line, but as long as we are below 4.15% for USDT dominance, Bitcoin and altcoins are going to do fine, okay? And the next gem I would like to talk about is SolarX. SXCH. Before we start talking about this, none of these are financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this coin. This is just for your educational purposes, and I want you guys to see that what this project is doing. So if you are interested, you can do your own research and see what you want to do with this, okay? So if you guys go to their Twitter, this is what I usually do. You guys see that they have their golden check mark, and they are layer 1 blockchain. You can mine this coin with their device. You can order it. As I said, you don't have to. I'm not telling you to do it, okay? But you can mine this coin. They have started staking this coin as well, and this is an environment friendly mining system. You guys can connect this to your computer, and you can literally put a solar panel somewhere in front of the sun, and it will create that electricity. It will get that electricity that it needs from the sun, so you guys are not gonna spend a lot of money for your electricity to mine this coin. You guys know that Casbah is doing mining as well, and I'm not really sure. I do not have that much information about Casbah, how you can mine that coin, but you guys can go do your research on this coin. This coin can be a lot bigger later. What I would like to see from them is when you go to markets, I would like to see more exchanges adding them, okay? But if you really want to compare to Casbah, back then Casbah had 3 zeros after the decimal point, and it is now almost 16 cents, okay? So do not underestimate the new projects, and a lot of exchanges started adding it as it started taking off, okay? So this coin can be a lot bigger later. SolarX, okay? As I say, I'm not telling you to buy these, but you can do your research on this, and it has been showing it on trending for several days, okay? So you can do your research. That is another project that I have told you guys, other than the decentralized exchanges, which you guys can see that Uniswap has been going up. When I called it, it was $9.30. When I called PancakeSwap, it was on $2.57 something. They have been going up, okay? So if you took advantage of it, here you go. Enjoy the profits, okay? So make sure that you are subscribed for the next video. I'm going to talk about Ethereum, XRP, and Casbah price prediction. In the next video, I'm going to talk about how high they can go based on their market cap, how big their market cap is, and how many more X's we can expect from these coins, okay? So make sure you are subscribed. Please hit the like right now to support the channel. Comment down below what you want me to cover next for price prediction, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.